Guess we ain't got the best rules in nature, because I think we're 160 degrees of Mother Nature. Star shooter, 216. Bullet, San Fran, break. Hey, 445, you said you're on your ground plane too. Hey, 445, you said you're on your ground plane too. Lord knows you rolled up on top that time. Oh, 445. Bullet is right. Hey, 445, answer this phone at 354.
261, waving that hand at DX land. I'm back on radio.
Yeah, appreciate your comeback. 143, quiet.
I can say hello out there to 143, 38 came right up through my receive. Hey, cool daddy.
Alright, sorry about that, 445. I had the guy call me on the boom truck. They called me on the 80-foot boom truck I need to have. That way I can work on my boom and my ground plane in the back of the shop at the same damn time. Oh, 445, 357 and 10. Bullet is right there, right?
Just rolling on through from the old northeast corner, getting awful quiet out there. Getting awful quiet out there. Come on, somebody must be out there that can rattle the speaker up here in Maine. 122 in and out.
You're still hammering on Utah 122. I just thought I'd let you know that.
Well, I appreciate that 261. It's starting to get a little quieter up on this end. I don't know if Mother Nature's getting ready to do that old hat trick, or just shifting stuff around, or well, I don't know, maybe everybody just decided to go grab something to eat. I don't know, but hey, it got quiet for a short till you bumped it down. 261, thank you for letting me know.
Dude, boy, always a pleasure, and anytime, man. Yeah, it's kind of getting quiet down here, too, a little bit. It's kind of tapering off. I think Mother Nature's going to do the hat trick on us all like she does.
See what to do in his front yard?
Oh, she probably will, but hey, we got a few gates, so if it does go out, we'll go stop the old uploading thing. No doubt about it. Hey, you're still sounding good up here, no doubt. You take care. 122 sliding back out. Letting the old gate roll for a while.
Quick.
He was telling everybody on his end to quieten down.
Oh, well, it's just been too much fun.
Said I'm hitting you just as hard as anybody on their damn beams.
Misty Blue is famous again.
Ghost Rider driver right now. That's all I need. Mama's in there.
122 video gate. I hear you talking to TR, and you're putting like a 7 in New York.
Tennessee. Mississippi. Bullet.
I sent the link to you, TR, so you could hear it. He doesn't put y'all in his deal, but it starts off with TR talking to you, Misty Blue, and then it goes off and goes on from there. But anyway, I just thought I'd tell you that base of yours is talking, Misty Blue.
It'll handle 50K.
Hope you have a good day. Be careful. Don't let nothing hit you.
I'll try not to. Okay, we'll be back quiet. Sorry to interrupt, TR, but we'll be here.
No, you're not interrupting at all. I had to get away from this big old huge bed bug, man. This thing's been trying to bite me for a week.
You need the flash water.
Oh, God, you ain't kidding.
Those little buggers are fast. They got teeth. The big old bed bugs, man, from West Texas, man. They're big old bugs. Well, you're going to have to bomb the house then.
Oh no! Atomic bomb!
It didn't work. Shame on that thing. Let's go.
Joe, you got 243 here in the state of Maine. We're waving.
Mail's dropped out into my mailbox outside, so I'm going to run and get them light bulbs from my Texas Star. I'll be back. 10-4, Gemini. Catch you on the flip-flop. Lord have mercy.
Oh, man, see that? I stopped the live feed, and then the skip starts rolling back in.
See what happened?
Story of my life.
See, you have control of the DX, and you didn't know it.
Yeah, it's always backwards control. So again, I went up and I swapped my beam around last week, earlier in the week. I was like, yeah, I got to throw it horizontal. There's been all kinds of skip. I put it horizontal, fucking no skip for like 2 days. I'm like, are you kidding me?
Go figure.
That's like when I buy a snowmobile. I'll go out and buy a snowmobile every few years. I want to go ride and go buy a new sled. And that's going to be the year we get no snow. I guarantee it.
Hey, go buy one this year, could you?
I know, right? It's probably worth it. Then I don't got to worry about plowing.
Exactly. Hey, if this last system we just got that's moving out now had been snow, just think about it.
Oh, yeah, that would have been, I wouldn't want to have been plowing that, that's for sure.
Not at all.
Great game, my friend. Down, like you say.
Oh God, that would have been 2 feet of snow.
I had that.
In a short amount of time. That would have been crazy.
I had it.
Yeah, that would have been.
But I got their low rider.
Now you guys have a good one. I think we're going to get out of here and do some uploading for a while.
445.
Yes. See, I'm lazy. I'll do a live feed. I love it. I'll do a live feed. You're lucky if I even post what channel it is. You actually get some editing in there. You put down people's numbers. It's great because you can go through it and find out who you were talking to. I'm too lazy for that. I'm lucky if the live feed goes through. Good.
Yeah, it's a little bit of work, but yeah, it's why I do it, so they can find it, you know, that's all. But yeah, yeah, the live feeds do seem a little bit easier, but hey, it's all fun and all part of it. You guys have a good one. We're going to go 10-7 for a while.
Have a good. Talk to you later.